Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back again with an exciting episode with the beautiful, beautiful Kubra Khan sitting right next to me. Thank you, Kubra, for making it to the interview and for coming here. We are really, really pleased to have you over the interview, and we're going to talk about a lot of fun moments from your life, about your personal life, not about your professional life. I hope you like it.
Thank you for inviting.
Yeah. So shall we start with the fun moments?
Let's start.
Yeah, I think I'm going to check your acting skills. I'm going to tell you the dialogues, the famous Bollywood dialogues, and you have to do it. Like you have to act.
Oh God, it's one of those.
We're going to do that, okay?
Okay, I will try.
Okay. So it's like a filmy dialogues, typical Bollywood dialogues.
Okay.
It's imprinted in all our minds, and you have to do it, like act them.
Okay, the same way they've acted?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm very bad at imitation, but okay.
Okay, the first one is एक चुटकी संदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जाना. I'm sure you've heard about it.
This is from...
Om Shanti Om. Deepika's.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, what's the dialogue? Because I don't know the dialogue.
एक चुटकी संदूर की तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. This is funny.
Just do it.
Okay. This is weird. How does she do it, right? जिसका याद नहीं है.
I think
मैंने सुना ये बहुत डायलॉग है, सुना बहुत है.
I think she did like एक चुटकी संदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो. संदूर.
Why don't you do that then?
No.
We'll come back to this one because I don't remember the thing for this.
Okay.
We'll come back to this for sure.
Okay. There's this other one. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
क्या चुन के निकाले है ना आपने?
ये तो famous dialogues है ना.
हाँ. Yes, how does Amitabh? This is Amitabh Bachchan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to change my voice.
It's okay.
Okay, there's like...
It's okay.
Yeah,
Don't look at me.
Let's do it. रिश्ते में तो हम... What is it? again?
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
हाँ, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह. Okay. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
Good one. That's a good
like
one.
a jacket, like lighter wali jacket or something.
Okay, so the other one is Pushpa, I hate tears. इन्हें पोंछ डालो.
What is that? What is that?
That's the movie of 90s, I guess. It's Rishi Kapoor's or something. I don't remember exactly.
सुना हुआ है, but
पुष्पा वाली मूवी थी ना, बहुत फेमस. मुझे अब उसका नाम नहीं आ रहा याद.
Okay. Pushpa, I hate tears.
That's the best one. I think remake हो गया.
I hate tears. इन्हें पोंछ डालो.
The best one is coming. Mogambo खुश हुआ.
Mogambo खुश हुआ.
अच्छा, अगला है कुत्ते कमीने तू मुझसे बचकर नहीं जा सकता, मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
कुत्ते कमीने?
हाँ.
अच्छा, कुत्ते कमीने तुम मुझसे बच के नहीं जा सकता, मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
अच्छा.
ये कौन सी फिल्म है?
मोगैम्बो वाली मूवी का ही है.
I like that movie, लेकिन
मुझे भी नहीं याद है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, अगला है मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता. सुनील शेट्टी.
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता.
और तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा.
How did he do it? Let's do it my way. I don't remember anything. Do I look at you and do it, or do I look at her and do it?
Wherever you feel comfortable with.
Such a one of those dialogues. Yeah. मुझे उसकी आंखें याद आ रही है. मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं.
ये हो नहीं.
हाँ, मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं. ये हो नहीं सकता. और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ.
ये मैं हो
I don't remember how these guys have done it, so I'm just saying them right now.
That's a good one. अच्छा, अब वो है famous one. कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं. DDLJ.
Oh हाँ.
That's the best one.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा भूल.
कोई बात है उससे कोई बात नहीं भी.
हाँ.
अच्छा. I find it really funny to imitate him because मेरी एक टाइम पे हंसी शाहरुख खान से रहा. I swear. I still laugh like that.
But you can do that.
Yeah. कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. God, I'm the worst at imitating. I'm literally saying the dialogues right now.
Okay. So अब हम करने वाले हैं like.
Oh yeah, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत.
हाँ, वही.
रमेश बाबू, महेश बाबू,
रमेश बाबू।
एक चुटकी से दो की कीमत, तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू। Why is रमेश बाबू here though?
अगर दीपिका देख लेना ये आज।
She's like, I did not do this. I did not do this.
That's the best one actually. अच्छा, अब शाहरुख खान का वो याद है आपको, किरण किरण वो करना है।
सच्ची?
हाँ, मतलब पूरा एक अपने से कुछ डायलॉग बनाने आगे से। You're an actor, you know it.
हाँ, उसका कोई डायलॉग I haven't actually watched it. मैंने इसी की imitations देखी हैं।
तो फिर वो कर ले, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं।
I'll do that.
हाँ,
I need a cigarette for that.
I can get you one if you want.
Oh, I mean, scene के लिए।
हाँ, वही ना, सीन के लिए।
Yeah, he's holding a cigarette like that.
Yeah.
Right? It feels so weird to act out something you've never seen. what was it? 12 देशों की
11 मुल्कों की पुलिस मेरे पीछे लगी है। हाँ,
11 मुल्कों की पुलिस 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस मेरे पीछे लगी है। तुम जॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही ना मुश्किल।
हाँ,
Obviously the last line. Okay, yeah. जॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं। I feel like I'm just like,
Don is not like that. You're laughing.
What does he do? What does he do? Don क्या करता है?
वो
Yeah, the worst thing is right.
Yeah.
मुझे इंडियन गाने जितने ज्यादा पसंद है ना, उनकी मूवीज मैंने कोई 10% देखी होंगी.
अच्छा,
Which is why I'm just like, what? ये क्या है?
I think then you can sing your favorite dialogues. That's the best thing.
Sing my favorite dialogue.
Yeah.
Right?
Like if you've heard of any Indian song which you're hooked to these days,
Oh yeah.
उसकी कोई एक stanza if you want.
You want me to sing now?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
A girl with multi-talents, I mean.
I'll sing not an Indian song. It's a thingy song. Pakistani गाना ही है. John Elia की ग़ज़ल है. हमारे मुकाबले में they sang that song. किसी से इज़हार मुराद कीजिए. I'll sing that.
Okay, sure.
I sing really bad, so I'm sorry guys. But since you're saying it. इज़हार मुराद कीजिए. आप मिलते नहीं हैं क्या कीजिए. एक ही फन तो हमने सीखा है. जिससे मिलिए उसे खफा कीजिए.
Wow,
Yeah,
wow,
it's
that's
so
amazing, amazing, amazing. You can sing as well.
No.
You're a very good singer, actually. अच्छा, अब we're moving on to your dialogues, ठीक है? You have to do one of your favorite romantic dialogues live.
शादी ब्याह ऐसे वफा नहीं होगी. सारे घर से लोग हैं. That was my favorite.
That was
line.
intense one, actually.
ये लोग शादी करने हैं. Like शादी ब्याह ऐसे वफा नहीं होगी. सारे घर से लोग हैं. Which is true.
But you speak really well Punjabi.
अभी सीखी है पढ़ के.
बहुत अच्छी बात है ये तो.
Thank you.
अच्छा, अगला डायलॉग है ना, वो भी बॉलीवुड का है, बहुत फनी है.
Okay.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. फुल इंटेंस और फिल्मी फील में करना है आपने उसको.
ऋषि. ऋषि, मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ.
जी.
तुम्हें वो रात याद है? Just making it worse. तुम्हें वो रात याद है?
कौन सी?
वो जिस दिन बहुत बारिश हो रही थी और बिजली कड़क रही थी.
अच्छा.
याद है तुम्हें वो रात?
नहीं.
खैर, मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रही कैसे बताऊँ.
बताओ.
ऋषि, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे का बाप बनने.
We ruined it successfully, actually.
बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला हूँ.
बाप बनने वाला. हाँ, why always माँ? Why cannot it be बाप?
Exactly. Feminism जिंदाबाद.
Feminism. अच्छा, I think we should move on to the rapid fire round, वरना हमें सब मार देंगे. अच्छा, पहला क्वेश्चन ओके रैपिड फायर राउंड है और इसमें आपने मुझे 60 सेकंड से ज्यादा डिलेड आंसर दिया तो यू लूज इट ठीक है
Okay.
पहला क्वेश्चन है हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट इफ अ मेल को स्टार हिट ऑन यू
Oh, that's happened before, and I said, that's literally what I did. Literally. Because in Pele, someone's like, oh, I love black and white, and I was like, this is green.
okay so one word for these people okay one word Fawad Khan
Oh, incredible.
Imran Khan
Which one?
the Imran Khan the PTI
The
one
Khan song.
हाँ,
Yeah.
Khan sir.
Oh, he's amazing. He's amazing. Hopefully, the future of our industry. Our Pakistan.
Usman Khalid Bhatt
He's hilarious.
Urwa Hussain
Cute.
Bilal Ashur
Very good looking.
Gauhar Sheikh
Love him.
Hamza Ali Abbasi
He's love.
Hania Amir
Cute.
okay moving on you have to choose okay Daniel Zafar or Ali Zafar
Elizabeth.
okay Hania Amir or Gauhar Sheikh
Oh,
that's the worst one
that I did not see coming. Gauhar Amir.
Aisha Khan or Hamza Ali Abbasi
Why are you doing this to me?
yeah that's a rapid fire round
I love Aisha मेरी बहन है यार. And
Choose
Hamza is
करना
my
है।
love.
एक को चूज करना है 60 seconds and Kubra
I'm sorry Aisha, I love you so much.
but she'll choose Hamza okay Mawra Hussain or Urwa Hussain
Mawra Hussain.
okay Farhan Saeed Atif Aslam
Atif Aslam.
Shah Rukh Khan Imran Khan
Which Imran Khan again?
the PTI one
Oh, Imran Khan.
okay Shah Rukh Khan नहीं
होगा अपना खान. हमारा अपना खान
Khan
भी
भी
है.
है हाँ if you found the following people's phone who would be the last dialed number on okay Hamza Ali Abbasi
खान.
Mawra Hussain
Urwa.
Sabah Qamar
I don't know Sabah as much. Probably
Any guess?
Yasir Hussain.
यासिर हुसैन का सबा कमर
यासिर हुसैन का नहीं, उसका असद सदीकी होगा.
फिरोज खान
Maybe Humayma.
everybody says that
Yeah.
Mahira Khan
Mahira, probably her manager most likely.
Hania Amir
Sabina.
Aisha Khan
It needs to be Gauhar, Hamza or me. I should just like few other people, but I don't know their names.
Hamza Ali Abbasi
Khan, you already asked that.
rank in order preference based on their acting ability ठीक है Mawra Hussain Maya Ali Hamza Ali Abbasi Bilal Ashur
Hamza Ali Abbasi, Mawra Hussain, Maya Ali, Bilal Ashur.
okay the other one इनको भी rank करना है आपने इनकी beauty ठीक है गौहर रशीद उर्वा हुसैन
Okay.
आयशा खान फरहान सईद
Aisha Khan, Urwa, Gauhar, and Farhan.
That's a good one. Okay, if you have to bitch about any fellow celebrity, what would that be? Without mentioning their name, you can say anything.
Yeah, be real. Like that's all I can say. Be real. And जो कहना मेरे मुंह पे आ जाता हो.
हाँ.
Behind the back, इतना बवाल करने की क्या जरूरत है? We're friends at the end of the day, and just keep it like that. Like at least grow some.
Beat.
No, grow some courage.
Yeah.
Don't be a coward.
Bad cover up though. Okay, so we're moving on to the fun segment. That's what's on your phone.
Oh no.
Yeah, we have to do this.
No.
Okay,
What today?
show us your wallpaper first.
Oh, it's my little nephew with 10,000 other things on it. Wait.
Oh, he's adorable. Can the camera see that?
आपको मैसेज ना आ जाए बीच में. Can you see it now?
Okay, so we're moving on to the last WhatsApp message of you.
No, I don't have to show that, right?
No, you don't have to show it, just read it out.
I don't know if it's worth reading out.
That's the best thing. I love this segment the most.
Not the last one. It's a heart. It's a pink heart to Hamza.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Last dial number.
Last dialed number is it's actually you.
Oh. Good one. Okay, moving on to the another segment, that is mimicry segment.
No, I don't like mimicry.
You have to do this. I'm going to tell you the names and you have to mimic about them. Okay? The first one goes for you is Hamza Ali Abbasi. It's hard for people to actually mimic about Hamza because his voice.
Dekho.
Perfect!
Sorry. I did that and I was like, Hamza's gonna kill me. देखो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि खान जो है ना वो मुल्क बदल देगा हमारा तेरा तो मैं दे
Okay, Gohar Rashid.
God is
Wasim wale something कुछ कर ले.
I'll do the Wasim wale वाली line.
You did actually.
हाँ, I did. ए रेशमी तुझे किसने सताया है उसे जाके बोल Wasim आया है.
Good one. Aisha Khan.
Aisha is such a sweetheart. It's funny because you know when जब mimicry को कहते हैं ना, these people are like really dear friends to me, and I never remember how they talk.
Oh.
Unfortunately, I never remember how they talk. इसलिए गौहर का भी dialogue किया था मैंने. हाथ में वैसे 24/7 बात कर.
Aisha का भी कोई dialogue कर ले if you remember anything.
Aisha basically just talks like this, like, no, darling, everything is fine. I'm telling you, everything is gonna be perfect. It's all great. You know, she's good. She's good. She's not like a normal person.
Yeah, okay, Mamra Hussain.
Jani, tum theek ho? But she's got a better voice than what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Jani, no, I was telling you, it's just so weird, and not the accent. It's so weird. I'm just so tired right now, but I'm acing it. I'm acing Nagan right now. Like, hey, girl, you do you.
Hania Amir.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. That is totally not perfect. That is so out of control.
That's the good one. That's the best one, actually. Okay, Usman Khalid Butt.
Usman, I've never spoken to Usman.
But you know, you've seen his videos.
I've seen his dramas,
Yeah.
but I've never actually spoken to Usman.
There was this drama of him, Diyare Dil, usme se kuch.
वो मैंने देखा नहीं, unfortunately.
कुछ भी
But
करना.
I know what he talks like. The fundamental issue of our country is that we don't give enough credit to the female of the industry. Like, to make sure he's always talking about like real life issues, and I'm like, yes, I like this guy.
Mahira Khan.
मुझे दो आदमी ने खराब किया. एक को मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं और दूसरे के साथ मैं रहूंगी नहीं.
ठीक.
That's not how she said it, though. I know.
Okay, the last one for mimicry is Fawad Khan. Have you met him?
No, I met him like in a wide frame at a wedding long time ago. So I've never actually met him.
Okay, then Ahmed Ali Butt.
There's one thing he says. He sings rather, and he's like, I have to stand up for that, but I don't know if it's appropriate or not.
It's okay, you
It's
can.
a song he sings.
Yeah.
I'm sexy and I know it. He loves singing that song. Like, he loves singing that. Like,
Cute.
"Oi, Paji ki haal chal hai tohada?" No, it's not like that. Don't worry about it. It's cool, bro. It's fine. And then he switches to Punjabi instantly. I'm like, whoa.
He's the best Indian we have.
He's hilarious.
Yeah,
I love him.
he's amazing.
Yeah, I love him.
Thank you, Kubra, for your time. It was amazing. We
Thank you.
loved having this
Thank
interview,
you. Thank you
and
so much.
it was so much fun.
Thank you. I'm so happy you didn't ask me so many other questions that have been coming up.
No. Before wrapping it up, we're going to gift you something that is from a medallion dusk. That's a jewelry piece, and I'm sure that you're going to love it.
I love gifts.
And
I love presents.
yeah, please pass on the present to me so that I can give it to Kubra. Okay, so that's the jewelry. I don't know what is it.
Yourself.
Yeah, no. Oh,
Ooh,
beautiful.
beautiful. I got a Furby. Oh, I dropped my Furby. I dropped the mic.
The best end so far.
It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the peacock.
Yeah.
You know, I love earrings, and I like getting like, you know,
Yeah.
funky earrings.
Right.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Medallion. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, thank you, Kubra, for your time, and it was so much fun. I loved the interview. I hope you enjoyed it too.
I loved it. I loved every bit of it. Thank you for the really funny questions. Thank you for making me do stuff I did not want to do, but I really enjoyed it. Thank you for the present. It's mine. Give it to me.
Yeah, that's yours. You can take it
I
home.
love the venue. And yeah, thank you everyone for everything.
Yeah, thank you Westeros Cafe especially for sponsoring the place. The cafe is amazing. It's Game of Thrones themed cafe situated in Defense, and you guys should visit it. It's a must.